guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and one of my lovely subscribers had requested that I make some sweet and sour chicken, so today I'll be doing just that. To get started, here I have my chicken that I already seasoned and have it sitting in a batter. I'll show you guys how I did this in just a second. Here I have some pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, some onions, I have bell peppers. I'll be using some black pepper, brown sugar, ginger paste, minced garlic, some cornstarch, chili paste. I have some ketchup, honey, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. So here's how I season the chicken. First, I am using chicken tenders because chicken breast is my least favorite part of the meat. If you want to use breast, you can go ahead and use that. Then I have here some soy sauce, I have Chinese cooking wine, I have water here just in case I need it. I have some cornstarch, some flour, oyster sauce, 1 egg, and some black pepper. Basically, we're adding these ingredients to the chicken and we'll mix until it's well combined. We want to create a batter onto the chicken. Instead of mixing the batter separately, we'll mix the batter right here in the chicken. That will make the chicken super crispy when we're ready to fry it. Now we'll go ahead and fry the chicken. We'll be double frying the chicken. So we'll fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes the first time. And the second time we'll fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. That will ensure that our chicken is nice and crispy and it doesn't get soggy when we toss it in the sauce. After 4 minutes, we'll remove the chicken. And remember, we're frying it in batches because I didn't add all my chicken pieces to the first oil. So we'll fry a second batch and then we will start refrying the chicken again in the same order that we did before. Now we'll add the first batch that we fried back into the oil and allow it to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. The chicken will become super crispy and it's great for when you're adding it to like a sauce or anything like that. It will stay crispy for a long time. Once you're all done, let the chicken drain on a wire rack while we get our sweet and sour sauce ready. Here in my preheated wok, I did add some vegetable oil and now I will add some sesame oil to that. Then we will go in with our onions, our peppers, we'll add our ginger and our garlic. We'll let them all go for about 3 minutes. Now we'll add our black pepper, we'll add our chili paste, then we'll add our sauces like our ketchup, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and we'll also add our pineapple juice. We will let them all come up to a boil before we start adding the cornstarch. One ingredient I forgot to add was the vinegar. That's the sour factor in this sauce. And that's why it's important for you to taste your food as you go, because I did taste this and I knew something was missing, and that was the vinegar. So after we added the vinegar, we will now add our cornstarch. You want to add some water to your cornstarch first so that it doesn't clump up, and we'll let this go for about 2 minutes. So once your cornstarch thickens up, we will now add the pineapple chunks in here. Give it a good mix, then we will add our chicken. Give that a good toss, and we're all done. It's super simple and easy to make this sweet and sour chicken, and it's absolutely delicious. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you have a different way or a different method that you make your sweet and sour chicken, I would love to try it. Let me know down in the comment section. And now I will plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. So today I'll be enjoying my sweet and sour chicken with a simple fried rice, guys. You can have it with plain white rice also, or some lo mein, chow mein, or whatever you like. It's your choice. I do hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and I do hope you guys give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.